Hi, I'm George DeMarco with Brown Harris Stevens, and I'm really excited to show you this 2-bedroom, 2-bath, gorgeous apartment in Lincoln Towers. Come on, let's get started. Brilliant light floods this move-in ready, beautifully renovated, generously proportioned 2-bedroom, 2-bath, south-facing home in the highly desirable Lincoln Towers complex in the West 60s. From the instant you enter this space, you will know this is truly something special. Every detail has been thoughtfully planned and executed. The marble-like quartz kitchen backsplash and countertops, which seem to extend for miles, seamlessly blend for the most current modern aesthetic. The 5-burner Bosch stove, Bosch dishwasher, light gray custom cabinets and underlighting, and built-in GE profile refrigerator make this the envy of every cook. Each door has been upgraded to an architecturally unique design with European hidden hinges. The floors have been replaced with natural oak wide planks in every room, including the closets. Speaking of closets, all 5 closets, including 2 enormous walk-ins and a 12-foot closet wall in the primary bedroom, have been smartly outfitted with California closet shelves and baskets to maximize storage. The large L-shaped living room, conveniently adjacent to the spacious dining area, will make entertaining a breeze. The primary bedroom has an entire wall of California closets and an ensuite windowed walk-in bathroom with high-end shower system. The second bedroom has an enormous 6-foot square walk-in closet, while the second bathroom is outfitted with a soaking tub, floor-to-ceiling marble-like porcelain tile, sleek chrome towel racks, wall-mounted vanity, and modern toilet. From this corner apartment, enjoy stunning southern and western unobstructed city and partial river views where you can see both the Empire State Building and the Hudson River. Since everyone wants private outdoor space, included is your very own enormous 27-foot private balcony. Thanks for spending a few minutes with us today. 2-bedroom apartments in Lincoln Towers with these views and mint condition rarely become available. So give me a call. Let's make a deal.